Welcome to Pharmacology Insights, where we break down complex pharmacology into simple, easy to understand concepts. Have you ever wondered why you feel so awful after a night of drinking? In today's video, we'll look at the fascinating science of hangovers and explore how alcohol messes with your body's normal functions. The molecule responsible for hangovers is ethanol, which is present in all alcoholic beverages. Generally, the more alcohol consumed, the more severe the hangover. Your body immediately goes to work when you take that first sip of beer or wine. Unlike food, alcohol doesn't need to be digested. It's rapidly absorbed directly through the lining of your stomach and small intestine. This process is so efficient that alcohol can reach your brain within just 5 minutes of your first drink. Here's where the pharmacology gets fascinating. Alcohol affects multiple neurotransmitter systems in the brain. Alcohol enhances GABA activity, your brain's main inhibitory neurotransmitter. GABA is like the traffic signal that tells cars to stop. Alcohol makes these signals stronger, slowing down the flow of information in your brain. Concurrently, alcohol inhibits glutamate, your main excitatory neurotransmitter. Glutamate is like the gas pedal, speeding things up. Alcohol takes your foot off the gas, making your brain activity less intense. When both of these happen, stronger brakes and less gas, you feel more relaxed. Maybe a bit slower, and sometimes a little silly because your brain isn't processing things as quickly or as carefully. In addition, alcohol triggers a flood of dopamine in the nucleus accumbens, your brain's reward center, creating the initial pleasant feelings. However, this initial euphoria is short-lived. After someone has had their last drink and alcohol levels decline, the brain rebounds from sedation and swings in the other direction, entering a hyperactive state. This rebound can contribute to the tremors and rapid heartbeats associated with hangovers. But the neurological effects are just the beginning. Alcohol disrupts so many of the body's processes, throwing delicate hormonal balances out of sync. One significant impact is on sleep. Alcohol consumption increases cortisol levels, disrupting your natural sleep cycle, despite the initial drowsiness it induces. You might find yourself waking up throughout the night, leading to fatigue and grogginess the next day. Dehydration is another major contributor to hangover misery. Another hormone alcohol interferes with is vasopressin, also known as antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. Alcohol suppresses the release of ADH from the pituitary gland. By decreasing levels of ADH, alcohol prevents your kidneys from efficiently reabsorbing water, making you pee more. This leads to fluid loss, electrolyte imbalances, and that pounding headache. Furthermore, alcohol can also cause a drop in your blood sugar levels by inhibiting production of glucose by the liver. This can leave you feeling shaky, weak, and irritable. Alcohol also triggers an inflammatory response, releasing pro-inflammatory molecules such as cytokines, particularly interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha, prostaglandins, and histamine. This leads to inflammation that can damage brain cells and impair memory. It can also cause inflammation throughout your body, particularly in the lining of the stomach and intestine, leading to stomach upset, nausea, and vomiting. When your liver eventually breaks down alcohol, it produces a toxic byproduct called acetaldehyde. The buildup of acetaldehyde contributes to hangover symptoms like nausea and headache. Bear in mind that everyone reacts to alcohol differently. Individual responses vary depending on factors like weight, age, genetics, and overall health. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the science behind those dreaded hangovers. Understanding these mechanisms helps explain why certain remedies work. If you are planning to drink, do so responsibly. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after drinking. Eat before and during drinking. Food can slow down alcohol absorption. Prioritize rest and get enough sleep to help your body return to normal. And remember, moderation is key. And that's it for today's pharmacology video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more pharmacology content.